We are going to go into the design ribbon and adjust some of the settings. And the first thing we're going to look at is slide size. By default, it is set up for a wide screen. We're going to change it to standard. And you definitely want to ensure fit. So we're going to choose ensure fit. And then it's a good idea, because now your slides are not as wide, it's a good idea to actually run the slideshow and make sure your content looks okay. Now, instead of running the show, I'm just going to go ahead and kind of scroll through here, because it's not unusual, especially if you had designed your slides for a wide screen, for them to look kind of funny when they don't have as much room. Now we're going to go back into slide size, and now we're going to go down to custom slide size. And the slides were sized for, ours were sized for a wide screen. So we're going to change that. And then we're going to click OK. So now again, you're going to notice a little change. And probably not a bad idea to run the show. I'm just going to kind of scroll through here, make sure everything looks okay. And I'll save. And what we're going to do next is adjust the theme. So I'm going to click on the More button, and the theme they would like us to pick is called Dividend. So you're basically going to have to kind of point and pause until you can see the correct theme. And I found it right here. I'm going to select it. And as far as the variants go, they would like us to actually change the colors. So let's click on the More button, go into colors, and the colors that they want are yellow, orange. Okay, so we've basically chosen a theme, we've changed the theme colors. Now we're going to go up and activate slide 2. And they would like us to go back into More and change the fonts. And Cambria is what they would like us to select. So we'll go ahead and pick that one. And they would also like a background style. So we're going to click on the More button, and you'll notice that there is a background style, kind of a menu or gallery. And what they would like us to do is just select the format background command instead of picking one of the formats that are displayed. So when you pick format background, what you're going to get is this pane displaying on the right-hand side. And fill should be expanded. If you can't see options below it, make sure you click on that. And what they would like for a color is the light yellow background 2. So I'm going to go ahead and select that. And by default, it only puts it on the current slide, but they would like us to do apply to all. And at this point, we're going to close out of that task pane and click on Save.